Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. This one can float on water. My favorite airplane, mini airplane, cute airplane. Very nice, you can see. Now check the next one, mini monster truck. Mini helicopter. Amazing helicopter. Police car yellow color. Police car yellow color. Mobil truk. Mobil truk or truck. Monster truck. How about this one? Excavator. Yellow supercar. Yellow supercar. Mobil truk. Mobil truk, Indonesian language, English, truck. Mini racing car, green color. Mini racing car, green color. Police car. Mini police car. Bulldozer. Monster truck. Super motorbike, yellow color. Super motorbike, yellow color. Mini crane. You can see a nice crane, a nice mini crane. Mobil truk. Mobil truk. In English, we call truck. Bus, express bus, green color. Hero Spider-Man. Green supercar. Super motorbike. Police super motorbike, white color. Everybody, let's move forward so we can see two trucks here. Now I check the right side first. I check on the right first. Excavator. Mobil truk. Mobil truk or truck. Cement mixer. Mobil Tanki, Indonesian language. Cement mixer. Cement mixer truck. Monster truck. Mini airplane. Ladder truck. Four-wheel super motorbike. So now let's move to left side. Supercar number 58, yellow color. supercar number 02. Bulldozer, mini airplane, monster truck, white color, forklift, super motorbike, green color, my favorite super motorbike. Mobil Truk or truck, complete truck, mini complete truck, bus, super low floor bus, another complete truck, last one, a monster truck. Everybody, thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please write down, click a like button, and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.